I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Mac's Mac OS version and free disk space and sign into your Microsoft account. Once done, choose the easiest route, Microsoft 365 subscription if you want updates or a one-time Office purchase. Open the App Store or Safari, then search Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure to read the plan details. Some features need a subscription. Click Get or Download to begin the installer, and watch the progress in Launchpad while the app files transfer. You'll now install and activate PowerPoint. Run the downloaded installer or open PowerPoint from the App Store and press Open. Follow the installer prompts, accept the license, and enter your Mac password if requested to allow installation. Once installed, launch PowerPoint and sign in with the same Microsoft account used to purchase or subscribe. This links the license to your Apple ID if needed. If asked, choose Auto Update so you get security fixes and feature updates. This keeps everything. You finish by customizing preferences. Set autosave intervals, default save location, and templates. Once configured, open a sample slide to confirm fonts and media work correctly. If activation fails, sign out of the Microsoft account and sign back in, then confirm your subscription status on account. Microsoft.com. If problems persist, remove the app and reinstall or run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant on another device for account checks. One key tip: check Mac OS firewall or network proxies if downloads or license checks time out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.